Alright guys, it's kind of early Monday morning. As you can see, it's you can't tell, it's dark out there. We're trying to let me pull up a little bit. We're trying to beat this rain. I mean, it is right around the corner and it's heavy. Truck should be here. Hopefully we can get him out all day long. You know, in this deal, hopefully most of y'all know, I mean, keeping your missed days of work to a minimum, or at least keeping that truck to where it can go, is key to staying profitable. If you miss a day where you just don't even get a load, I mean, that really, really hurts. So we're trying to beat this rain. Like I say, I got enough out, I believe, to keep them busy all day if we can get it out. You know, that old dirt out here is like baby powder. So it's when it starts raining, it's gonna turn to mush real quick. So we're gonna see if we can hopefully keep them rolling there. Especially fuel prices and everything up the way it is, you can't afford no missed days. So frustrating. I mean, we've been very, very fortunate and lucky. We ain't had rain in a while. We need some, but dang, it starts raining 4 or 5 inches a week, 6 inches a week. I think it rained 4 or 5 yesterday. Not on my job, but at the house. But it's supposed to looking like we're gonna get 3 or 4 this week on the job. So we're gonna do what we can do, I guess. Let's see if I can ease back here. Probably have to jump out, knock a little top off them dang things. Grab these right here and get them out of the way. Well guys, as you can see, the camera don't show good, but it's absolutely piss pouring out there. I don't know why in the world he's got that thing cut, hung up in them trees over there when there's a big hole over there. Anyway, it's set in on us. Well, the bottoms fell out of it. We got the first load loaded there. It's a little bit downhill, and I guarantee you she's greasy. I'm hoping that old girl, dang, that stupid door there open. I can't focus good. Try that. I'm hoping she don't take off down through there ball hooting. She still got to come back and get another. That's the pulpwood there. Got a load of logs to go out. I guess I'll pull them back up here to the skidder backwards. It's saying about 2 inches on the job today. Man, it's nasty. I guess he's working his nerve up right now. As long as he just puts it in gear and lets it roll and don't get on them brakes, he should be fine. If he gets on them brakes, it could take off. It's good and flat left or right. It's just downhill a little bit. Oh shoot, yeah, that thing's going like a Cadillac. No problem. A little dip down there. It's a little side, a little dip. I hope it'll be alright. Once it gets there, it's gravel. Oh yeah. Well, shoot far, that wasn't no problem. There he rolls. Good deal. A little hard to see there, but had to grab his trailer with the scooter, drag him up the hill here so we can get them loaded. One way or the other, these loads are going out of here, fellas.